guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be another Dollar Tree haul. I'm going to be showing you guys some really cute Christmas stuff that I found at the Dollar Tree. Since Christmas is right around the corner, I have a lot of Christmas ideas to give to you guys. So I hope you guys are ready for this haul. Grab some coffee, grab a snack, and stick around. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Mercy, and on this channel I talk about nursing, lifestyle, beauty. I do a little bit of vlogging. I talk about feminine hygiene, and I just talk about a whole bunch of stuff. If you haven't joined the family yet, I encourage you to please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell notification button so you'll never miss another video from me again. Okay guys, before I get into the video, I know you guys are gonna ask me about my hair. This hair is by a company called Jaja Hair. As you guys know, I like to protect my hair. I recently had my hair out for about 2 weeks or so, but I have decided to put my hair away, especially now that it's getting cold out. So when this company contacted me, I was super excited to try out their hair. So this is actually 100% human hair. It is very soft. This is their 24 inches Brazilian straight, and it is a 13 by 16 lace frontal wig. I have it laid down with some glue in the front. This is what it looks like up close. So the hair is actually not bad. I haven't used hair from their company before. This will be my first time, so I'm excited to see how it's going to turn out. But so far so good. I like the fact that it's super soft and you don't have to do much to it because the frontal comes already plucked. So that is a great bonus. I will leave a link down below to this hair if you guys want to go ahead and check them out. So without talking any farther, the first items I want to show you guys are some Christmas signs, or like Christmas boards. Let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. So these right here. So this is a little Christmas sign. It's kind of like a board. As you can see, it's pretty big. So this says Noel, and it has some sparkly Christmas, I guess, snowflakes. And then it has the snowman right here with a wreath in his hand. So this is super cute. This you can actually set on your mantle. You can set this on your fireplace. You can actually hang this up as well on the wall or something. This is super cute. And as you can see, it's a pretty big sign. Usually the Dollar Tree, when they carry stuff like this, is usually a tiny little sign. But I like the fact that this one is not that small. It's actually really big. This is made out of cardboard, so it's pretty hard and it's pretty sturdy, but it has some cute little details. So let me show you guys again. So the next one, you guys, it's another sign, and this one says there is snow place like home right there. So this one also has some sparkly snowflakes. It has the writing. The writing is also sparkly. It has the snowman with a broom and something else in his hand. Again, this sign is pretty big. You can put this anywhere you want to, and you can also hang this up. Out of these two, this one is actually my favorite, but I like this one as well because I have a home for it. But this one is definitely going to go in my living room. So the next things on the list are some gift ideas. So the first thing I want to show you guys is this little thing right here. The Dollar Tree always has this every year. I normally don't get these, but this year I feel like they had cuter ones, so I definitely went ahead and got them. So for the detail on this one, let me show you guys what it looks like. So these are actually two pieces. So you have the lid and then you have the bowl itself. I hope the glare is not messing with this. But yeah, so you have the bowl itself. So these are super cute because you can use this for so many different purposes. So when you dress up your Christmas tree, you can stack these up on top of each other and just set them there for decor. You can also put gifts into this and then maybe shut it and then tie a ribbon around it. You can also use these for cookies and candies, and also you can use these as storage. The reason I love these is because, as I always tell you guys, I love things that you can use for more than one purpose. So this is one of those things, and I thought this was perfect. Next on the list is the exact same thing but different pattern. So this is what it looks like. Again, these are perfect because, as I said, you can stack these on top of each other. There are different sizes as well, so if you don't want to go with the same size, you can get different sizes because there's like a bigger one, this size, which is like the medium size, and then you have the smaller size, so you can stack it on top of each other and it serves as a really cute decor. Okay, next on the list is something similar to the ones I just showed you. This one is actually not for Christmas, it is for like a regular party, but the party hats on it looks like Christmas trees, so I thought that was perfect. On the top it says "Let's Party," and then around it it has party hats, but as I said, they look like Christmas trees. So let me show you what this look like. So this is what the top looks like. So on the top it has this cute little detail. It kind of looks like glass on the top, but it's not really glass. I think it's some kind of see-through paper, and then it has some confetti inside of it. So when you shake it up, it actually moves. I don't know if I can show you guys that, but this is super cute. And again, you can open it up, put some gifts in it, use it as a gift box, candy storage box, cookies, whatever you want to use it for. These are super cute. Another super cute thing on the list, this one is one of my favorites, is this right here. This is so cute, y'all. I'm telling you, these little gift boxes, I just feel like they take the hassle out of trying to wrap a gift, because I'm one of those people who don't know how to gift wrap at all. I usually take my gifts to the mall to have them wrapped, but that was before I found the Dollar Tree. So this is super cute, y'all. You can put some gifts in here, you can put a necklace in here, you can put a tiny little wine bottle in here, you can put perfume, body wash, you can put anything in here, and you can also put a little note in here, wrap it up, and just set it in here. So this is what it looks like. It opens up like that, and you can put stuff in here. This has a cute little detail because it has the little ribbon bow right there, and then the box itself has some cute little details. So this is actually one of my favorite finds out of this haul. Moving on, this is actually a 2-for-1. This right here. So the reason I call this a 2-for-1 is because it is a nice little Christmas coffee mug, and then it also has candy in it. If I can get the candy out, oh goodness. Oh, that's because it's taped down, so you have to peel the tape off to get the candy out. But this is what it looks like. So it's chocolate, and then it has a little card. You can put your name here, you can say who it's from or what's in it, and it's attached to the candy, and the candy also goes in the cup. So this is the perfect gift for someone, because not only are you giving them a coffee mug, you're also giving them some candy, which is very, very Christmas-like. Next on the list is another great gift idea. This right here. So this is actually another coffee mug. So unlike this one doesn't come wrapped, so you might have to put this in something. This one is actually in its own box, so you don't have to do anything. You don't have to wrap it at all. You can just put this in a cute little gift bag, which you can also get from the Dollar Tree. You can write your name up on top. You can say who it's from and who it's to, and it says it right there. And all you literally have to do is give this to someone. So there are different kinds of these. There are different patterns, different styles, and just different kinds. This one actually says it's the most wonderful time of the year, and it has a little bird on it, and the cup itself is actually green. But as I said, there are different kinds, different styles, and just different sizes. Moving on the list is this cute little pen. So this is a pen. It actually has a little lid at the end, and you can close it like that. It has a furry ball on top, and then it has 2 eyes, and then it has the antenna, I guess, or the horn. And this, guys, is so cute. Let me show you guys up close. So it has the 2 eyes right there. You can't really see it because of the fur. And then it has the horns right here. I think this is supposed to be like a reindeer. This is another perfect Christmas gift. I think this is perfect because you guys know that I'm a nurse, and nurses always lose their pen. But if your pen is this big, it's kind of hard to lose it. So I thought this was super cute. This can be also a cute gift idea for another nurse or any family member, really, because it's very, very festive. Next on the list is the cute little Christmas tree topper. Look at that. This, guys, is so cute. This is a silver one. They have the gold one and they have stars. They have all kinds. But I thought the belt was really cute. It has some cute little patterns here. It has like a flower in front. It has a ribbon right here. And the silver itself has 2 different patterns. I thought this was really cute because you can use this as an ornament. And you can also set this on the top of the Christmas tree. Next on the list is another cute little gift box. This right here. So this is a cute little gift box. This is perfect because you can put a gift card in here. You can put a Christmas card in here. You can put some jewelry in here. You can put a little note in here. You can also put some candy in here too. I like this because, again, I like ribbons and I like bows. And this has a little bow on it. And then it has a little card that you can write who it's from and who it's to. So I'll show you guys up close again. This is one of my favorite finds as well. So last but not least, I've showed you a lot of gift boxes and a lot of gift ideas, but you also need something to put your gifts in. And the Dollar Tree is famous for their cute but affordable gift bags. This right here. So this bag says joy and peace. The reason I picked this one is because this is huge. First of all, look how big this is. You can literally fit everything I just showed you guys in here. And the great thing is they have different sizes. They also have some that comes in a pack of 3 and also some in a pack of 2. But when it's big like this, it normally only comes as 1. But the other sizes are either 2 or 3. The reason I showed you guys this is because at the Dollar Tree, every gift bag is $1. No matter what the size is, no matter how many is in the pack, no matter what the patterns look like, no matter how many comes in a pack, they're all $1. I don't know if you guys know this, but if you want to compare prices, a lot of times other stores are very, very expensive when it comes to gift bags. But the Dollar Tree, it doesn't matter what it looks like or how big it is, it's only $1. Sometimes you can pay up to $5, $6, $7, even $10 for a gift bag when you can just go to the Dollar Tree, get your gift bags, put a whole bunch of stuff in it, and it's only $1. So guys, that is it for this quick little Christmas gift idea haul. I hope you guys loved it, and if you did, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And also, as I said before, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell notification button so you never miss another video again. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.